In today's video, we diving into 10 strange scientific phenomena that sound like they straight out of science fiction, but they absolutely real. From animals that defy death to storms that create balls of fire, these mind-blowing discoveries will completely change the way you see the world. Let's get started. First up, the immortal jellyfish. Imagine if humans could actually age backwards. Well, one creature already does. The Torotopsis dohrnii, also known as the immortal jellyfish, can literally reverse its own aging process. When it's injured or stressed, it transforms its old cells back into their earliest form, essentially resetting its biological clock. Scientists call this biological immortality, and it might one day help us understand how to slow down aging in humans. Next, have you ever heard of ball lightning? During some thunderstorms, people have reported seeing glowing balls of light just floating through the air, even passing right through windows. This mystery is called ball lightning, and scientists still don't fully understand how it happens. Some believe it forms from vaporized soil, while others think it's a form of plasma. But one thing is clear if you ever see one: it's probably best to keep your distance. Now let's head to California's Death Valley, where giant rocks weighing hundreds of pounds appear to move all by themselves, leaving long trails behind them. For decades, nobody knew why. But today, scientists have finally discovered the truth. Thin layers of ice form during cold nights, and when light winds blow, they push the rocks across the slippery surface. This creates the incredible illusion that the stones are walking. This next one is one of the strangest experiments in all of physics, the Double-Slit Experiment. When scientists fire single particles through to slits, the particles behave like waves, creating an interference pattern, even when they're observed one at a time. But here's the really creepy part. When the particles are watched, they suddenly behave like normal, solid objects again. It's almost as if the universe itself knows when it's being observed. Did you know plants can talk? They might not speak, but they definitely communicate. Using chemical signals sent through the ground, plants warn each other about insects, share nutrients, and even help their weaker neighbors. Some scientists believe entire forests act like superorganisms connected by vast networks of fungi known as the Wood Wide Web. We all know about the beautiful Aurora lights on Earth, but did you know other planets have them too? Jupiter has auroras so powerful they create massive radiation storms. Saturn's auroras glow in ultraviolet light. These spectacular light shows reveal secrets about a planet's magnetic field and its atmosphere, painting a vivid picture of distant worlds. Have you ever heard of it raining animals? Yes, this has actually happened. In several countries, people have witnessed fish, frogs, and even small crabs literally raining from the sky. The cause? Powerful waterspouts, which are like tornadoes over water, suck them up from the ocean and then drop them miles away. It's a bizarre, but very real, meteorological event. Deep in the Amazon rainforest, there's a river so hot it can boil animals alive. The water reaches temperatures close to 100 degrees Celsius or 212 Fahrenheit. Scientists believe it's heated by geothermal energy from deep below the Earth's crust. Local tribes consider it a sacred place and an extremely dangerous one. Einstein once called this next phenomenon spooky action at a distance. It's known as quantum entanglement, and it happens when two particles become connected. Whatever happens to one instantly affects the other, no matter how far apart they are, even if they're on opposite sides of the galaxy. This mind-bending concept might just unlock the future of communication and quantum computing. Finally, let's talk about pyroclastic flows. These are the single deadliest volcanic events on Earth. A pyroclastic flow is a fast-moving cloud of superheated gas and ash that can travel at 700 kilometers per hour, hot enough to melt metal. It was a pyroclastic flow that destroyed the ancient city of Pompeii in 79 AD, freezing it in time. Our world is filled with mysteries, some beautiful, some terrifying, but all of them unbelievably real. If you want more mind-blowing science videos, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below which phenomenon surprised you the most. We'll see you in the next episode.